I'm a huge fan of virtual events because we get to reach a global audience, but there's absolutely nothing in the world like the energy of 6,000 of your closest friends in the arena where it happens.
You know, during COVID, we were all subject to doing virtual events online, and it was great. It was one way to build community and retain that sense of spirit of community. But you know, as soon as the restrictions were lifted, I was back on planes again. There's nothing quite like this in the Asia-Pacific region. Australia doesn't have a Power Platform conference yet, so I'm going to come here and you know, catch up with old friends, meet new friends.
So my team runs a lot of virtual events. We engage with customers, partners on virtual sessions. It's all two-dimensional. You know, on a flat screen, there's only so much. If I reach out and try and touch the screen or touch the person there, what I hit is a hard screen.
Being able to connect face-to-face with fellow attendees, speakers, and making connections and friends that you'll have for a lifetime is something that you can never get at a virtual event.
People are desperate for having times where they get together and just learn all this new stuff, because it's always changing. There's always something new. Even me, right? I've been in MVP for 9 years, and I sat in a low-code plugin session. I haven't touched it yet, and I was able, in that hour, to get an awesome session from David Yak and be able to get, oh, this is everything I need to really know to go forward and move forward. So it would be hard to do that otherwise.
I think that in-person is where it's at. Like, I think showing up and being here and kind of partaking in all the meet and greets and seeing how everyone is, there's no comparison to virtual. I mean, personally, I'm a big fan of in-person.